Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of computing with the top 5 best mini PCs. These compact powerhouses offer an incredible combination of performance and portability, making them perfect for various tasks, from office work to multimedia entertainment. Whether you're a professional seeking a space-saving solution or a casual user looking for a versatile computing device, these mini PCs have got you covered. Join us as we explore the impressive features, performance benchmarks, and user reviews of these top-rated mini PCs. From powerful processors and ample storage options to sleek designs and connectivity versatility, these mini PCs are sure to leave a lasting impression. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest content. Get ready to uncover the top 5 best mini PCs that will revolutionize your computing experience. Number 1. GMKTEC Mini PC. GMKTEC Mini PC is a powerful and compact desktop computer that offers high performance for gaming, study, and home use. It features an AMD Ryzen 5 5600U processor with a clock speed of up to 4.2 GHz, delivering fast and responsive computing. With 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB PCIe solid-state drive, this mini PC provides ample memory and storage space for multitasking and storing your files, documents, and games. The mini PC supports a 4K resolution at 60 Hz, allowing you to enjoy crisp and detailed visuals on compatible displays. It also comes with dual HDMI and Type-C ports, offering versatile connectivity options for connecting to external monitors, TVs, or projectors. With its small form factor, the GMKTEC Mini PC saves space and can be easily placed on your desk or mounted behind a monitor. It is suitable for various applications, including gaming, tasks, studying, and general home use. Number 2. Kufan UM350 Mini PC. Kufan UM350 Mini PC is a high-performance computing solution packed into a compact form factor. It comes equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB PCIe SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and providing ample storage for your files and applications. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 3550H processor, this mini computer delivers exceptional speed and performance for various tasks. It is upgradable to Windows 11, ensuring compatibility with the latest software updates. The dual-band Wi-Fi support ensures fast and reliable internet connectivity, while the 4K HDMI, DP, and USB-C ports provide versatile connectivity options for connecting to external displays, projectors, and other peripherals. Ignite its sleek design and efficient operation. This mini computer offers a convenient and space-saving solution for your computing needs. Number 3. Gecom Mini IT8. Gecom Mini PC is a small desktop computer that runs on Windows 11 Pro and has a powerful Intel i3-8109U processor that can boost up to 3.6 GHz. It has 8 GB of dual DDR4 memory and 256 GB of SSD storage, which make it fast and responsive for office, study, and home use. It also supports 4K UHD display, dual Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI connectivity, so you can enjoy high-quality video and audio on your monitor or TV. The Gecom Mini PC is compact and lightweight, measuring only 5.1 by 5.1 by 2 inches and weighing 1.32 pounds. It can fit in any space and be easily mounted on the back of your monitor with the included bracket. The Gecom Mini PC is a great choice for anyone looking for a small but powerful computer that can handle various tasks and entertainment needs. Number 4. Intel NUC10i5 FNHN. Intel NUC10i5 FNHN is a high-performance desktop mini PC featuring the 10th generation Intel Core i5-10210U processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.2 GHz. With 4 cores, 8 threads, and 25W Intel UHD graphics, it delivers exceptional computing power and smooth graphics performance. It comes with 8 GB of Kingston RAM and a 256 GB Kingston PCIe SSD for efficient multitasking and fast storage. Running on Windows 10 Pro, this mini PC provides a secure and familiar operating system. Compact and stylish. With its advanced features and high-performance components, the Intel NUC 10i5 FNHN is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and compact desktop PC. Number 5. Beelink U59 Pro. Beelink U59 Pro Mini PC is a high-performance micro PC powered by the Intel 11th generation N5105 processor, featuring 4 cores and 4 threads with a clock speed of up to 2.9 GHz. It comes with 16 GB of RAM and a 500 GB SSD for smooth multitasking and fast storage access. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it offers advanced features and a user-friendly interface. With support for 4K at 60 Hz, triple display, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Type-C, and dual NIC, this mini computer is perfect for home or office use, providing excellent connectivity and versatility. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.